Today, we'll be looking at romantic names for our ladies. Yeah, your wife, your girlfriend, your sisters, your mama. Come on, all the ladies. We ladies love to be pampered, You can get her to do anything you want her to do when you call her by these beautiful names. So the first one is Akugo. Aqua is egg. So when you say Akugum, you're calling her your precious egg. My pride. Akugo, my pride. The next one is Agumwany. Agumwany. This Agu is one of the strongest animal in the cat family. You call this name the woman who strive for the best, who aim for the highest. When she sets her eyes on the thing, she must get it done. She's fearless. She's a go-getter. She strives for the best. She's greatest among them. Omuma saho means intentionally takes her shower. So you're simply trying to explain that she's so beautiful that even if she does not take a shower, she will still remain beautiful. So omuma saho. Another one is oyolima. Oyolima. When you say a woman is oyolima, it means she's endowed everywhere. She's hot. Oyolima. Another one is otom. Otom. Otom means, I think I also say, you can also call this for a man. I also put otom in the video I made for the male. Otom means my joy. So when she brings you happiness, she gives you joy. So you call her otom. Another one is enenebe ejegoro. Enenebe ejegoro means you watch and you forget to go to work. She's so beautiful that you can't take your eyes off her. Enenebe ejegoro. Oledo. Oledo. Oledo means gold. Oledo is gold. So you see Oledum, my gold. Aponanwu. Aponanwu. Aponanwu is someone who does not go out in the sun. It's always hot in Africa. And basically, this aponanwu most times are used for fair ladies. Sun does a lot to the skin. So it makes the skin, it dries and shrinks. So when you see a lady with fresh skin, you can call her aponanwu. Another one is egovin. I think it's something, a precious money. Money that you can't spend. There's some money, especially some of us, when you get mint, to release that mint, you feel, so egovin. Yori yori. Now, yori yori, those pom-pom, pom-pom that does yori yori. So it's always, when you use it, shakes, it gives a glamour and beauty. So that's what is yori yori. That's where they got that pet name from. That's something that, whenever he moves it, it shakes, and it's so beautiful, so enticing. So yori yori, I could say, is something very enticing. Next one is ugodia. Ugodia. Ugodia is pride of her husband. Pride of her husband. I would say eririegu. Now, eririegu is a lady who can dance very well. Your mom could be eririegu. Your sister, eririegu, who can twist her body and, very beautiful. You say eririegu. Asampete. Asampete means very beautiful lady. Very beautiful. Adaeze. Princess. Princess of the king. Adaeze. So you could call her princess. Itego. Itego. Now, Itego, you can call your sister or anyone Itego. Itego simply means pot filled with money. Ite is pot. Ego, money. Itego, pot means that she's going to bring you so much wealth. She will bring you so much wealth. Yeah, Itego. Mma, beautiful. So, Odimma, it is beautiful. Mma, beautiful. Akwa. So you can, akwa is precious egg. Akwa is egg. So you know we've called akugo before. Now akwa, precious child. Call your baby girl precious child. Akwa nwa. Ugebem. Ugebe is mirror. Ugebem, my mirror. That's whenever they see your woman, they see you. Obim, my heart. Obim, my heart. Omalicham. Omalicha. Okay, we said Oma before. Mma, beauty. Omalicha, my pretty. Omalicham, my pretty. You can even say Udaram. Udara is a sherry. Udara, that's, special sherry we take though. So it's very sweet. You can say Anyanwu Otutu. Anyanwu Otutu. Anyanwu is a sun, a rising sun that rises in the morning. So Anyanwu Otutu. So my rising sun. Anyanwu Otutu, my rising sun. Nwanyi ka ibe ya. Nwanyi ka ibe ya. The woman who is superior to other women. When you're comparing her to other women, say she's better off. She's the best among all. Nwanyi ka ibe ya. The best among the women. Omobidia. Omobidia says a woman that knows the heart of her husband. Omobidia. Some things when you want to do something, the one will say, no, my husband will not like this. So you know the heart of your husband. Omobidia. You can also call her Obidia, the heart of her husband. Obidia, the heart of her husband. Achalugo wanyi. Achalugo wanyi. The royal woman. Achalugo wanyi. The royal woman. Ego Yibo. Ego Yibo. My foreign currency. My foreign currency. Ego Yibo. Akom, my treasure. When you call the woman Akom, Akudia. Akudia, her husband's treasure. So, if you love your wife, you can call her Akudia, her husband's treasure. If you're pleased with this video, please comment, give me a thumbs up and share. Bye. Aforomono nanya, onowa asampete. Onu gbajisi ụmụ nwoke. Achara ugo nwaanyị ọma. Apụ n'anwụ. Ite ego nne ya. N'ebe ejeghị ọrụ. Bye.